Mr. Speaker, I rise pursuant. These days you told us to be quoting the standing order that we think is out of order. And I want to quote 101, contents of speech, 101.3. It shall be out of order to use offensive or insulting language, whether in respect of senators or other persons. Mr. Speaker, I find it very offensive that my good chair, Senator Kajwang, finds colleagues not of the capacity to serve in any committee. I believe, Mr. Speaker, all of us are gifted differently, but none of us, you cannot say that those of us who are elected, or specially elected, there's any of us that came here by mistake or by accident, and there's any of us that does not have any capacity to serve anywhere, in any committee, in any capacity, in any role. In any case, Mr. Speaker, for him to insinuate that Senator Cherargei cannot speak for anybody is again an insult to our side. Senator Cherargei is a very senior member of our side. He's a very senior member of our coalition. He may not have, Mr. Speaker, this is a big lesson, that a person as senior as Senator Cherargei has given us an opportunity to serve as chairman of committees. He has all the capacity, he has all the abilities to serve as a chairman, to serve as a leader of majority, to serve as the deputy leader of majority, to serve as the chief whip, to serve as... But for him, he has taken the teachings of Jesus. For you to become a big person, you must be humble. He has taken humility, and it should not be taken as a weakness, Mr. Speaker. I thank you very much.
Chair, security.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the Senator of Lamu is a member of my committee.